Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make out of your Makita cordless grass shearer a cordless hedge trimmer. It's possible, oh yeah! So now we're going to remove the the grass receiver first, and then we remove the shear blades, and after this we install the shear blades from um, the hedge trimmer, of course. That's it's easy, okay? We can make this easily. We start and remove the spacer on the bottom side first. We release the protrusions on the grass receiver from the grooves on the tool while sliding the grass receiver toward the front of the tool. Then we release the hang of the grass receiver from the tool itself, and we hook the hang of the grass receiver on the groove of the tool. And then you can see you can remove nearly everything out of it until you will see that 3 bolts on the bottom are left there. And now we are going to that was the grass shearer here. He's now removed from the device, and now we go to the next attachment. That means we are now install the hedge trimmer itself. You can see here the hedge trimmer has 2 halos there, 2 loops, metal rings, and these 2 metal rings comes upside down on your machine, and in the center there's a bolt. This bolt is the center bolt, but there are also right and left bolts which are going to rotate while this tool is working. And if we give this now in a line onto the bottom side of the trimmer, and then we have to attach it by using a screwdriver to tighten these 2 screws on the bottom side of the cordless hedge trimmer now, because now we have here a cordless hedge trimmer. It's not a grass shear anymore. That's really cool. So here we are. Now we have to insert the cover. This is the last action, and after this we are ready to go to our hedges and trim them easily. Yeah, of course there is a hedge trimmer blade, so don't cut your fingers with it. These blades are sharpened enough to cut your fingers, and always wear safety material like protect your head, protect your fingers, protect your everything. And then you can start with the Makita cordless hedge trimmer here. And of course, it's possible to attach this brush attachment by clamp it in position on top of your blade system there. That's really easy. You can make this if you like, but this is an optional thing to attach this on your Makita cordless hedge trimmer. So here you can see it's really easy to transform this cordless grass shearer into a cordless hedge trimmer. Easily, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.